In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a game on Steam and redeem a gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add funds to your Steam wallet with a gift card or wallet code, and how that balance is used when you purchase a game. Start by making sure you're signed into your Steam account, either in the desktop app or in a web browser. Look to the top right of the Steam window. Click your account name to open the account menu. This is where Steam groups most of your account-related settings, including your wallet and purchase history. From that menu, click View My Wallet. The wallet page shows your current balance, recent activity, and options to add funds. Think of your Steam wallet as a prepaid balance that Steam automatically uses first when you check out. It's a convenient way to control spending or use gift money without entering a card each time. On the wallet page, click Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. This option is specifically for adding currency to your account. It's different from a game activation key. Wallet codes convert into balance you can spend on any eligible purchase in your region. If your code came on a physical card, gently scratch to reveal it. If it came digitally, have the message or email open so you can copy it. Enter the code exactly as shown. You can type the characters with or without hyphens. Steam will handle the formatting. Take your time to avoid common mix-ups like the letter O versus the number 0. If you're pasting, make sure you didn't include extra spaces. Keep this code private. Don't share it or show it on screen. When you're ready, click Continue. Steam will validate the code, and if everything looks good, instantly add the funds to your wallet. You'll see your new balance at the top of the page and may get a confirmation message. If you see an error, double check the characters, ensure the code matches your account's currency and region, and try again. Already redeemed or damaged codes can't be used. In that case, review any instructions from the retailer or contact Steam support through the help section. With funds now in your wallet, buying a game is straightforward. When you go to a game store page and proceed to check out, Steam automatically uses your wallet balance first. If the game costs more than your balance, you'll be prompted to cover the difference with another payment method. Taxes and refunds, where applicable, are handled right in your wallet, and you can review everything in your wallet history. That's it. Your gift card is redeemed, and you're ready to pick up your next game. Happy gaming!